Good night, I am Andres Borrego. When are you going to travel? I will travel after the quarantine. What city place are you going to visit? I will go to visit Machu Picchu. Where are you going to stay? I am going to stay in a hotel. What are you going to wear? I am going to put on a pair of pants and a t-shirt. Who are you going to invite to that travel? I am going to invite my wife. What activities will you do in that place? I want to go to the most beautiful places in Peru. How much money will you spend there? I am going to spend there $1,000. Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacations? I want to buy a good ruana in Peru. No more. Thank you.